The JF-17 Block 3's participation and award at the Royal International Air Tattoo (RIAT) 2025 is now widely seen as a milestone in the aircraft's evolution from a regionally recognized fighter into a platform with genuine international defense credibility. For a program often viewed in the shadow of larger aerospace giants, this appearance elevated the JF-17 into the global spotlight not just because of its presence, but because of the context, the competition, and the nature of its achievement. RIAT is one of the most prestigious and technically evaluated military aviation events in the world. Held annually in the UK, it brings together top-tier air forces and aerospace companies. Aircraft that attend the show undergo both public and professional scrutiny, including technical briefings, public display performances, and close-range inspections by foreign defense delegations. Unlike many regional airshows, RIAT is not a weapons expo, it is a showcase for capability, professionalism, and readiness, attended by procurement leaders, test pilots, engineers, and defense attachés from dozens of countries. The JF-17 Block 3's journey to RIAT 2025 began with a long-distance deployment across several international flight information regions. Supported by aerial refueling tankers and logistics crews, the aircraft traveled over 4,000 miles, a feat that highlighted its interoperability with support systems and the ability to conduct sustained multi-day deployments. Such flights are logistically complex, requiring coordination with civilian and military air traffic control, contingency planning for diversion, fuel consumption modeling, and maintenance during stopovers. This successful transit, which concluded with the aircraft arriving in optimal presentation condition, was a clear demonstration that the JF-17 is more than a domestic defense asset, it is operationally reliable on a global scale. At the airshow, the aircraft was displayed in a new, distinctive camouflage scheme, and shown with a clean configuration complemented by modern beyond visual range missiles, including the PL-15E. This configuration had not previously been exhibited in Europe. The static display offered RIAT visitors, ranging from civilians to military evaluators, a chance to examine the airframe, sensors, and cockpit layout up close. The accompanying technical personnel answered questions about the radar, avionics, and integration systems, providing a level of transparency often required by serious defense partners. The crew also participated in formal RIAT technical briefings and joint displays, aligning the platform with the show's emphasis on inter-air force professionalism. The JF-17 Block 3's avionics suite represents a leap over previous variants. The KLJ-7A Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar enables simultaneous engagement of multiple airborne targets, enhanced situational awareness, and robust resistance to electronic jamming. It supports look-down, shoot-down capability and is a critical enabler for the aircraft's beyond visual range air-to-air missions. The radar's track-while scan mode, wide-angle search, and surface mapping features allow the pilot to conduct complex multi-role missions, including air interdiction and close air support, with real-time awareness and engagement flexibility. The digital fly-by-wire (DFBW) flight control system allows for safer and more agile handling. In legacy aircraft, hydraulic or mechanical controls limit the range of motion and responsiveness. The DFBW system replaces those with computerized commands, offering real-time stability adjustments and precise control across the full flight envelope. For dogfighting, this provides tighter turns and better energy management. For less intense missions, it reduces pilot fatigue by offering smoother handling and autopilot enhancements. The pilot's interface is built around a wide area display (WAD), providing a unified view of radar, sensor, and navigation data. The head-up display (HUD) offers a large projection field, while the helmet-mounted display system (HMDS) allows pilots to target and engage aircraft using head movements alone. This combination enhances pilot reaction speed, lowers cognitive load, and supports situational awareness across complex environments. These systems are supported by a secure data link network, enabling the aircraft to share targeting, surveillance, and battle management data with other fighters, early warning platforms, and command centers. In modern combat, data sharing determines survival and mission success. The JF-17 Block 3's network capability positions it not only as a standalone asset but as a node in a broader air defense or strike operation. The RD-93MA engine, a refined version of the RD-93, provides increased thrust, higher reliability, and improved performance at altitude. Official documentation and open-source confirmation from manufacturers and operators affirm the RD-93MA as the selected engine for the JF-17 Block 3. Its smokeless combustion and reduced infrared signature also make the aircraft harder to detect in combat scenarios. The engine was tested for compatibility with the new avionics and flight control systems, and its adoption represents a strategic choice for long-term fleet commonality and logistical efficiency. The aircraft was exhibited with the KL-15E missile, one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles currently available for export. With a reported range exceeding 140 kilometers and an active radar seeker, the KL-15E allows JF-17 pilots to engage enemy aircraft well before they are within retaliatory range. This engagement capability, combined with radar and helmet cueing, positions the JF-17 Block 3 as a true 4.5 generation fighter with substantial combat value in contested airspace. Winning the Spirit of the Meat award was more than symbolic, it was technical recognition. RIAT's awards are not based on lobbying, sponsorships, or media hype. They are judged by aviation professionals and are based on criteria such as professionalism, presentation quality, technical merit, and the logistical effort made by the participating team. Competing against dozens of well-established aircraft from allied nations, the JF-17's recognition signaled that it met and in some aspects exceeded the operational presentation standards of leading air forces. Following the event, defense attachés, think tank analysts, and independent observers began to re-evaluate the JF-17 Block 3 in terms of procurement suitability. For years, the platform was perceived as a low-cost alternative with basic multirole capability. That perception is now shifting. It is now seen as a viable frontline fighter for countries needing advanced capabilities without being tied to politically restrictive suppliers or long and expensive acquisition cycles. The aircraft's increased visibility has already influenced export prospects. At least one international contract for 40 units has been confirmed in 2025. Other countries across Africa, Asia, and South America have shown renewed interest, especially after witnessing its capabilities in a trusted international venue. The appearance at RIAT demonstrated that the JF-17 Block 3 is supported by operational logistics, technical crews, and infrastructure capable of global deployment, maintenance, and integration. Perhaps most importantly, this appearance has contributed to the aircraft's soft power value, not through diplomacy or narrative messaging, but through proof of performance. Soft power in the context of military platforms refers to their ability to inspire confidence, cooperation, and respect among international operators and observers. By appearing at RIAT and being judged on merit alongside global peers, the JF-17 gained a degree of legitimacy and prestige that no marketing campaign or regional demonstration could provide. This boost in reputation may also have broader impacts: increased training cooperation, participation in joint air exercises, expansion of simulation packages, and opportunities for third-party modernization or license production deals. It also puts the platform in discussions among Air Force planners who are looking for a cost-efficient but modern aircraft to replace aging fleets of MiG-21, F-5, Mirage 3, 5, or even early-generation F-16 units. RIAT 2025 marked a turning point for the JF-17 Block 3 program. The aircraft demonstrated operational deployment capability, showcased advanced radar and sensor fusion, validated its engine and flight control upgrades, and gained formal recognition among elite aviation circles. This will likely accelerate its path in the global defense market, attract more export interest, and position it as a trusted 4.5 generation platform for emerging air forces seeking modern capabilities without excessive cost or geopolitical restriction.